Okay, so you made it to the third video, the third part of my 5-step system. Now, if you didn't watch all the other videos, I'm going to put a card up here so you can go and check out video 1. That will get you to video 2, and that will get you back here to video 3, just in case you found this some other way, right? Now, well done for getting this far. A lot of people give up. A lot of people don't follow stuff through, and they've got great intentions, but actions speak louder than words. So making it this far is important. Do make sure you keep following us on this journey. And while you're here, do hit that subscribe button and give me a quick like on this video. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. So the first 2 videos we've talked about content, and the content's there to position you as an expert. So people know you, they like you, they trust you, you build that rapport, you demonstrate you're an expert. All these things are priceless in getting clients and customers in your business, right? So that's really, really important. Now, next, we wanted to get you some leads, right? And we're gonna do that by capturing some leads. And you're gonna do that by giving away a PDF. Like here's a couple that we've got here, but we also get people to opt into webinars, discount vouchers. There's a ton of different things that we get people to do, right? All of them very, 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 very important. So do make sure that you follow this system. Don't cheat or skip steps, because you're gonna lose business, right? You're not gonna be as successful as you could be. Now, this is normal human behavior, right? You might chat to someone and then go on a date and then whatever's next, right? I don't know, don't you start thinking like that. So the next step is a real key one, because we want some money, and that is where we turn them into a customer. Now, on the Business Accelerator, we're going to mentor you to figure out exactly how you're going to turn them into a customer. Now, there's lots of different ways to do that. So I'll give you a couple of ideas now. One is sell something cheap, right? So I do very well selling my book or giving this book away for free, and people pay for the shipping. If you want to grab a free copy of this, which we're going to deep dive into this 5-step system in this book, you'd be bonkers not to. So I'll put a link below and you can grab a free copy. Now, that will activate you as a customer, and some of you might come back and spend more. Some of you, that's all you need, and you're on your way in growing your business, which is good too, right? But what I want to do at this stage is turn people into a customer, get them to take their wallet out and spend something with me. Because then when I deliver the book and they get it, they trust me more, because that's the hardest thing, is getting the first sale from a customer. Now, lots of people don't have something cheap to sell. So what might they do? Well, what they might do is look at not selling something cheap, but getting someone to book a call with them, right? Maybe they book a call, book an appointment where you go and see them, or you talk to them on the phone or Zoom or whatever it is. And when we work with you on the Business Accelerator, we'll help you figure that out. But lots of business owners want appointments and some stuff like that. So this is where you're going to do it. So you're going to have the content that's online to show you're an expert. Then you get them to take a guide or report. Then when they take the guide or report, on the thank you page for that, so rather than just saying, hey, look, here's your guide or report, on the thank you page, we will say to you, hey, buy something. Do you want a book? It's cheap. Go and get a discounted book right now. Not everyone will say yes. Of course they won't. But enough will, right? Enough will. And that's building the relationship with them. Or we could say, hey, look, here's some content. Now take my guide or report. Hey, why don't we book a call and get to know each other that little bit better? Let's see if we can give you some more value and possibly give you a chance to become a customer. So the third step is to turn them into a customer, right? Whatever mechanism we work out with you, we'll figure it out, but that is the third step. Now, I hope you found this series good so far. While you're here, comment below, let me know any questions you've got. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. We're 3 videos in. You must have subscribed by now, guys. So do follow this process. And next, I want you to go and watch video number 4. So that will come up here. Go and watch that right away.